Right, so in the next example, we have a floor of 5 by 5 meters. So let's select the previous example and hide it. And top view, let's create a plane. Go to the modify tab and let's dial in 5 by 5 meters in the length and width. Move the plane on the region and let's create a wall of 5 meters by 5 meters by 0.2 meters. So let's go to the top view, go to the create geometry and AEC Standard. Under wall we can change the height from 3 meters to 5 meters, and by turning off my snaps, pressing S, I can just click inside the viewport to start the wall. Second click, third click, fourth and last. Alright, so now we have what we have here is we have wall, we have the floor, and let's create the window of 3 meters by 2.5 meters. Go to the modify tab and let's change the height to 3 meters, width to 2.5. Alright, so let's quickly fix the window frame size and window panel size, and let's move it a bit lower. So you can see we have the floor, we have the walls, we have the windows. Alright, so now the next thing is let's add a text on the top. So let's go to the create tab, geometry, and switch back to standard primitives, and let's pick text plus. Click in the viewport and we have that text in our viewport in the form of 3D. Let's place it and then let's just change the text to cafe shop, and let's reduce the size of that text like this. All right, and then let's extrude it. So the difference between the text plus and the simple text is you don't have to apply extrude modifier in the top for text plus. The extrude modifier is in the, or the extrude option is in the geometry rollout for the text plus. All right, now let's quickly create the columns like this. So let's create a box. The height will be exactly what we have for the walls, and let's go for 0.4 meters, and the height segments to about 30, and then add a twist modifier on top. Increase the angle. Let's keep it to H5. So what you can see is you can see that the twist modifier does not starts exactly from this edge. It starts somewhere from this distance. So let's, but in our case, you can see the twist modifier starts exactly from this edge. So what we can do is first of all, let's increase the segments. Let's increase it more. All right, and then we can apply the limits for our twist modifier. So what we can do is we can just click on the limit effect, and in the upper limit you can just increase the limits like this. And for the, if I just increase the lower limit like this, you can see that twist limit starts from a distance of 0.2 from that edge like this. And for the upper limit, let's increase that, and let's rotate it so our edges, so that edge gets parallel to this side like this. And let's increase that segments once again like this. All right, let's copy this column with an instance, and now you can see we have that curve cantilever kind of a shape that starts from this side and ends at this column. So let's create it. Go into the create tab, click on plane, and create a plane like this, and move it on the front side of the room. So the main thing for this kind of a bend is we have to add the segments, right? So let's decrease the length segments because we don't need these horizontal lines. We just only need the vertical ones. So let's increase the width segments as much as we can. Let's go for 20. All right, and now let's apply the bend modifier. So after applying the bend modifier, you can see if I just increase the angle, just go to the y-axis, you can see now that the bend is happening like this. And if I switch to the x-axis, you can see now we are achieving, now we have that kind of an effect like this. All right, so let's increase the size and go to the bend, and let's add the bend angle over here like this.